Hello and welcome to this ZENworks highlights on using the Windows 10 wipe feature introduced in ZCM 2017 Update 4. The Windows 10 wipe event will allow you to wipe a device if it is reachable, protecting the desktop, laptop, or tablet from exposing valuable data or licenses. It is possible to wipe devices remotely through the Quick Task architecture, even in a NATed environment. When performed, the wizard requires a reason before it can perform a wipe. Once the Quick Task response is sent back from the managed device, the device will be marked Done in ZCC, resulting in the device being deleted or retired from the zone. Remember, the device is reset back to its initial factory state, and no license key is present on the device. ZCC administrators can control who is allowed to wipe a device and which managed devices in certain folders via the ZCC administrator rights and privileges settings. By allowing or denying this privilege will render the Quick Task wipe device available or not. Wiping a device can be very serious. It is a quick task, so you can configure the Audit change event, Quick Task events. This setting will capture all quick tasks done from the console, including refreshes, inventory, and others. But more specifically, configure the agent event, ZENworks agent wipe event. This will audit on any specific wipe event, indicating who initiated the wipe. Windows 10 wipe logging. You'll find the primary server, the loader messages log, will indicate the quick task sent and when it retires or deletes the device. Also, auditing of quick tasks and wipe events. Since the device is wiped, you won't have any ZENworks agent logs to look at. Let's have a quick walkthrough on our Windows 10 device. You can see here we have an 1803 device. It currently has a 1704 agent on it. And we're going to monitor quick tasks on this device. We'll go over to our ZCC. Now we'll start the wizard up for running a quick task wipe device on devices. I'll pick a Windows 7, a satellite server that's Windows 10, and a Windows 10 regular device. And we'll go ahead and do quick task. And we will wipe device. And you'll notice that the satellite and the non-Windows 10 devices go in the ignored and will not be wiped. You must perform either delete or retire the devices. So we'll go ahead and retire the devices. That way we have the information still in ZCC. And you must have a reason for this. Once the reason is entered, you can then proceed with the wizard. We'll hit next. And then you have the standard quick task status notifications. Whether you want current primary server, when you want it to expire, and so forth. We'll just take the defaults and hit start, at which time we'll watch the quick task status. Let's go back to our Windows 10 device now. We should be getting a quick task. There they are in yellow. Windows MDM quick task action. It's going to reset this device. Windows MDM policy. Now the device is restarting. Notice it says done, 100% complete. Now we set up our audit. Our dashboard shows one wipe and one quick task, both critical, occurred. If we go to events, we can see other ways of looking at that. Under the change event, we have one critical, which was a quick task, wipe in the target, as well as under agents, we got one critical, which is a wipe. If we select this, we can actually get details on that particular device, time, who it was, and the same for our quick task event. Back to the PC again, you can see it's installing Windows. We should see also that that particular device should be retired, which it is. So we really recommend you setting up your audit before you start configuring your wipes for your administrators so that you can track them closely. And you can see on the loader messages log that there has been a wipe sent and a retired device has been done. Coming back to it a little bit later, Cortana started up and it's trying to...
Okay, don't let me hold you up. Just pick the one you want from the list.
initiate our install. This concludes the ZENworks highlights on Windows 10 wipe feature.